there, I'm coming to you from Miss Bilberry's Technology Tips. I wanted to tell you about a new program that I found through the Bitmoji craze for teachers. It's called Cami, and it's absolutely wonderful. So let me go to my website so that I can show you how to do that. I have downloaded it on my computer. You just download it either on the Google Play or on the iTunes if you're using your cell phone. If I wanted to upload any program or any paper that I've taken a picture of and want to share with my students, this is the best way to do digital learning from home. So if I go into my Google Classrooms and if I went to math and then I went to our classwork and I'm going to create a new assignment. And because I've added Cami on my Chromebook, I just have to click on Cami to do a Cami assignment. And it takes it a few seconds, but it will come up. Okay, so now I have this. It shows that you can send Cami instructions to students or add links. I've already gone over these instructions with my students and with my parents, so I don't really need to do that again. And it has for math, it has all students, and it's published. So I'm going to go into my recent added things. You can either go into a link or go into your Google Drive, either way. I usually just try to go into my recent things, and I use an app called Fast Scanner on my cell phone, and that enables me to quickly save pictures and do them perfectly. So if I went in and I did this one, let's just say this is the one I'm going to share with my students, and it will upload it right here. And then when I assign it, I'm going to go ahead and give it a name, place value. And you can see I did place value page 1 for yesterday's assignment. So if I do assign it, it always gives me this option to open it in Classroom. And so if I go ahead and do that, when my students open this up, this is what they will see. Okay, so this is their assignment. When they click on it, it gives them this option over here that says open with Cami. And I teach first grade, and my students are able to do this, so I know that any grade level can do this. So we go into Cami, and it is probably the most fabulous app that's ever been created. So once it comes up, I do have a teacher account, and I set that up ahead of time. And I also have downloaded this app on all of my student computers, and I've kind of given the parents how-to videos and trained my students too. So if you go in like this, you can either use your fingers if you have a touch screen, or you can zoom out. If the page is turned wrong, you can go here and rotate it. And to fix it, if I've taken the picture and it's turned wrong, I can go to drawing right here. And my students have touch screens. They can pick any colors that they want to be able to use for their ink and save it, however they want to do that. They will count how many tens, and so they will say 2, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Oops, I'm not doing a very good job drawing with that. And then we have 24. And so our students have touch screens, so they're able to do that with either their mouse or their touch screen. And they're able to do their name. When you're working as a student, when you come up here to this file folder, this little, it looks like a floppy disk, it will say turn in for students. And for me, it shows save, but for your students, it actually has the word turned in beside it. And so they will turn it in, and it automatically goes back to your Google Classroom, and you're able to grade it and even return it back to them through email. If they want to erase, they have 2 options of the eraser, and they can click the eraser, and I'm using my touch screen, or they can use the mouse and erase anything that they need to do. There's lots of other choices. Since I teach first grade, we've really, we don't add signature or media or any of those things. I haven't even really done a text box for them, but there's so many options with this. It's absolutely wonderful. It is the best virtual teaching tool that I've seen. So anyway, I hope you find this useful.